What if you could build a fully functional app in under 10 minutes with no coding experience, and then you can install it on your phone and run it from there? Let me show you how. Go to lovable.dev. You can also use alternatives like bolt.new, v0.dev or similar sites. In the chat, type your prompt. For example, today I want to make a habit tracker app. I already know all the functionalities I want my app to have, so I'll just paste this long prompt I created. However, your prompt can be shorter if you don't know all the functionalities from the start. Keep in mind that the free plan on lovable.dev allows about 5 free prompts per day. And now our first version is ready. Let's check if it works. Yes, it's working. It even has a dark mode. Let's switch it to light mode now. So, how does the app work? You have a list of habits you want to complete. When you complete one, you check it off. You also earn points for accomplishing habits, which you can use to buy real-life rewards. That's the basic idea of the app. Now let's test it further to make sure everything functions as expected. You can see that the app is responsive and adapts to smaller screens. However, the habit section isn't responsive, so I'll write another prompt to ask lovable.dev to fix this. And now it's responsive. The calendar section, however, isn't responsive, but I'll leave it as is for now. Now let's publish it. And let's turn our published website into a real app that you can open on your phone. Go to webintoapp.com. Keep in mind that this site is free for Android apps, but if you want to export your app for iOS, you'll need to pay. Press the Get Started button. Copy your published site URL and paste it here. Fill in the other fields, and you can also change the app icon. Now press the Make App button. After registering or logging in, you can download your app. Now, download the app to your computer. To run it, transfer it to your smartphone and install it. You can see that I already did this. Now I have a fully functional app running on my Android device, and I made it in less than 10 minutes. Let's test it to make sure everything is working. I noticed some bugs, like the calendar section not being responsive, but that can be fixed with another prompt on lovable.dev. Overall, the app works great and I'm happy with the result. What app idea do you want me to create next? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video.